I'm delighted to congratulate and welcome this year's students who qualified as school teachers into the profession. Education is one of our most powerful tools to tackle inequality and improve the life chances of all our children and young people. The teaching profession puts you in the unique position to inspire and help broaden the minds of our learners in Wales. No career can be more significant than the one that you're entering. Whilst schools have returned to normal routines, I'm aware this has not been without difficulties for student teachers, pupils, schools and our professional communities. You're starting your career at a challenging but equally exciting time, and I'm sure that the last 12 months shaped you to be adaptable, compassionate teachers with the skill set that you need to join our national endeavour to support every learner. There's no role as inspiring, and I wish you every success as you start your career as a teacher here in Wales.